Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to wirelessly display your computer screen onto your TV. But before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any of my future content. And with that being said, let's get started. When it comes to wireless HDMI adapters, the number one logical question most people ask is if you have a device that supports wireless screencasting, then why bother getting a wireless HDMI adapter to begin with? Well, there are a handful of reasons. Like maybe you don't have a smart TV, but still want to be able to wirelessly mirror your screen onto your TV. Or you want to be able to wirelessly connect your laptop to your computer monitor, giving your desk that clean, cable-free look. Or maybe screencasting isn't versatile enough for you, and you need some of the functionality that comes with HDMI, like the ability to use your TV as a secondary monitor. Well, whatever way you choose to use your wireless adapter, I'm going to quickly show you how to hook it up. I'm setting mine up so my laptop wirelessly displays on my TV. The process is almost identical for connecting a laptop to a computer monitor. And if you stick around till the end, I'll also show you how to connect it to your smartphone too. In the box, you have two HDMI dongles, a transmitter and a receiver. Start by plugging the USB-C to USB cables into both HDMI dongles. The next part is super important. They even stress it in the manual. The first dongle you have to connect is the HDMI receiver dongle. To do that, plug the HDMI dongle into a free HDMI port on your TV. Then, plug the USB into an available USB port on your TV. If you don't have any available USB ports, no worries. Just plug your USB cable into a power brick, then plug that into the wall. When you place your TV on the corresponding HDMI input, you'll see a screen that looks like this, waiting for you to connect the transmitting HDMI dongle. Go over to your transmitting device, grab the transmitting dongle, and plug it into the HDMI port. Then, plug the USB into the USB port. If your laptop only has USB-C ports, no worries. There's a USB to USB-C adapter in the box. Now, if you take a look over at your TV screen, voila, you're now mirroring your laptop screen. Of course, your laptop isn't the only device you can mirror. This product also comes with the necessary adapters to mirror smartphones and tablets too. For this to work, your smart device has to have a USB-C port. Simply plug the USB-C to HDMI adapter into your smart device, then plug the HDMI dongle into the adapter. Then plug the USB into a battery bank or anything it can draw power from. And shortly, you'll begin to see your smartphone being mirrored on your TV screen. There you have it. You now know how to use your wireless HDMI adapter to cast your computer or your smart device. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right corner of this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.